How to add a background pattern on Wix. So as you see, my background is just plain blue. So just you can head over and then click on your background and then click on this change background option. Now you can choose in here some preset images as your background pattern, or you can also just choose in here a color that you want. So for this one, let me just choose in here fluid gradient, and then I'll just head over and add in here a color. So let me choose in here the blue scheme that we have earlier. And then once it's added, it will be applied to your particular site. So let me just head over and then close this color picker. And then you can choose in here another color that will mimic that blue. Now let's head over and add another more. I'll just choose in here some white. And for this one, something like a lighter blue. So by doing this, as you can see, it will create a particular gradient on your background and it will create a pattern for that. So that's how you add a background pattern on Wix. Hope we helped.